Beauty, let's give it up for the most beautiful lady for today, Miss Grace Deeds! The floor is yours. Thank you very much.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Kahapon po nandito po si Mariel Padilla, who is the brains behind Vida under Super KBB. So ako naman po yung nandito ngayon, and I'm the CEO of Super KBB. So pinag-isipan po namin ni Mariel kung ano po ang tamang produkto para po sa fans niya, fans ni Mariel. Dahil mahilig po talaga siya sa mga Korean skincare. Kaya lang, hindi po lahat makaka-afford ng 5,000, 8,000, 10,000 pesos worth na isang buong skin set. So sabi ni Maria sa akin, Grace, gusto ko ma-experience talaga ng mga Pinoy yung na-experience kong premium Korean skincare for glass skin sa abot kayang halaga. So, we researched about it. Siyempre yung factory po namin nasa Korea. This is formulated and made in Korea. You can find our booth at the back, near the photo booth, and pwede nyo rin na-experience yan yung Vida skin set po. So, we're very proud, no? Kasi talagang the most premium talaga ng mga ingredients ang nilagay namin sa Vida. And, of course, Marian and I, today, yun ang suot ko. Yun ang aking skincare day and night. Vida, pati si Maria, nung nandito siya kahapon, nakita ko yung mga pictures. Sabi ko, grabe glowing ng skin ni Maria. And of course, ang gamit niya, yung sarili niyang produkto na Vida. So we're very proud of Vida. Do check us out dahil meron din tayo mga pasabog. We have a lot of freebies. We have a lot of gifts ready for you at our booth. And again, 100% made in Korea po tayo, formulated in Korea for Filipino weather and Filipino skin. So mamaya, kita-kits po tayo sa Vida booth. Kung meron kayong katanungan tungkol sa direct selling and distributorship, we're very much open and we hope na ma-partner namin kayo sa Vida and Super KBB. So maraming salamat po for having me. This has been a wonderful experience actually. First time namin sumali sa ViewCon, and we're looking forward to next year na mas maging masaya at maganda at super bongga ang booth ng Vida just for you guys. So